Hello, this is Stewart with the Aerating-Thatching Company. I'm a landscaper trained by a golf course superintendent for the care of Western Washington lawns. Today I'm in the View Ridge neighborhood, Wedgwood area, and this is David's lawn. This is a lawn that I've aerated, seeded, fertilized, and I put some enhanced limestone product on here. And I'm going to come back in about a month's time and take a look at this lawn and just see how it's doing. Once again, this is Stewart with the Aerating-Thatching Company, and thank you for watching my video. Bye-bye. Hi, this is Stewart with the Aerating-Thatching Company, and this is a lawn that I had previously aerated, seeded, and fertilized and put some enhanced limestone on. And I was just driving by to check out my work. Today is October 15th is what it is. Once again, this is Stewart, and thank you for watching my video. Thank you. Bye-bye.